Evolving geopolitical dynamics are intensifying the convergence of terrorist networks and organized criminal groups, which increasingly undermine state sovereignty and complicates national security. This threat is further magnified by technological advancements that are not only force multipliers of existing risks, but also create entirely new vectors of vulnerability.
It is this reality that has driven the steady expansion of the MCC. What began as a regional platform has progressively grown to include countries from across the African continent, as well as partner organizations and institutions from beyond.
As a continent, we find ourselves at the center of these dynamics, not as passive observers, but as key stakeholders that can influence and reshape the future.
It is now apparent no single nation can fully address these challenges in isolation. Therefore, as leaders and practitioners, we are called upon to respond to challenges of our times by strengthening coordination across borders, institutions, and partnerships.
We are witnessing, second, a new scramble for Africa. China's Belt and Road Initiative has deepened infrastructure links across Africa, while also deepening debt dependency in a number of our member states.